Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring your environment is isolated and reproducible. Create a virtualenv or conda-env and install Pandas and Jupyter. Once done, launch Jupyter Notebook and open a new notebook, making sure the kernel matches your environment. Now import Pandas as PD and load a representative CSV using PD. Read CSV file. CSV to inspect the structure. This gets you immediate feedback, seeing columns, types, and a few rows, so you can plan the cleaning and analysis steps that follow. Next, you tackle cleaning and transformations. Start by profiling with df, info, df head, and df describe to understand types and nulls. Make targeted fixes, drop irrelevant rows with df, dropna subset equals call, fill gaps using df, fillna value, and convert types with df. A type call int. Once cleaned, perform selections with df, lock and df, ilock, aggregate with df, group b, ag, and apply custom functions via df, apply or series, map. These steps let you reshape data efficiently and prepare features for analysis or visualization. Finally, persist and validate your work. Export cleaned frames with df to CSV clean. CSV index equals false or use df. To parquet for faster I/O and smaller files. Make sure to run a quick memory and performance check, df. Memory usage, deep equals true, and reading in chunks with PD read CSV. Chunk size equals 100,000 if needed. If something breaks, a reliable troubleshooting step is to inspect dtypes and explicitly cast problematic columns, reevaluate null handling, and reparse states with parse states. This resolves most common issues and ensures reproducible notebooks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.